Bill from Motorcycle Sound Systems Miami. We're here today to do a review on a great product, brand new from Advanblack. Advanblack has come out with an entire rear end kit in fiberglass, side covers, saddlebag, and fender, which we will show in a few minutes. Now, we received this product to do a review and then do a field testing in order to see if this product, how is it going to work with the motorcycle audio industry. Now, just looking at it overall, taken out of the box, I will tell you that I'm very excited to work with it. It is very well done. It is all fiberglass. It's about 1/4 inch thick, very solid, similar to many of the products that are being used today in motorcycle audio. Now, the difference is, in my opinion, why this is going to do extremely well for us is because this is really for the regular rider if that's what you want to use it for. It's a simple application. It is take off, put on. Steve Housen's got that video on YouTube. Steve Housen from Sick Baggers is the Advanblack technician. He has a full video on how to install it. But we have just seen how, for now, the application and how simple it's going to be. It is to be used with your OEM system. Now, we received it unpainted because we're still not sure what color we're going to paint our future bike. As we take a look at in detail about it, it has a great glaze inside, very well made, a lot of details to it. Now, the fishtail is not all the way down to the bottom open. The fishtail is actually sealed at this point because they integrated bolting positions in order to secure the fender. Now, this is a stretch kit. I'm not going to go into those full details. That's why you go to the Advanblack page on YouTube and you see the full details from Steve Housen. But as you see, it is all in fiberglass. It is extremely well made. A lot of detail in it. It looks very nice. Like I said, it's about 1/4 inch thick. I look forward to putting it on into our next build. It is a side dump system, meaning that there's no factory OEM exhaust to come under the saddlebags. So you need to have a side dump. That is based on your preference, of course. Everybody has a different system that they like to use. This is the side cover. The whole thing is in fiberglass. It looks very nice. I like the way it's designed, that it runs down nice and clean. It has a tapered look, so it's not flat on top, so your rear passenger is not hitting the edge all the time. The other great piece about it is that it brings everything you need. Entire brake light system to go with it, and all the hardware to install. Now, most of our 2016 and above have regular hardware. The 2014s and 2015s don't bring these locking systems for your saddlebags, so they still throw it in there. We're going to test these saddlebags with the SPL inside mount ring, 10-inch ring. We're going to use 2 drivers for our field testing. We're going to use the FaitalPRO 10RS 350, which is our go-to driver. And we're going to test on a Ciare's new 10-inch mid bases that still has not hit the field yet. We're working with it. We're trying to make sure everything works the way it's supposed to be. This is an amazing 10-inch driver. It will come out very soon. It's a 10 DVC. That's the actual name, is a 10-inch woofer DVC. We'll talk about that more in the future. What is our application intent? Our application intent is to play our drivers down to 40 hertz or 45 hertz, depending on which of the drivers we're going to use. The saddlebag has exactly 1 cubic foot. We did a water measurement and both saddlebags measure the same. Now, let's know that Advanblack, all their products are color matched. Advanblack's color matching is amazing, except for those CVO colors. Obviously, nobody can get them, but all the other colors, you go to their site, you see all the colors. Each kit will be available in any color. The retail price is also extremely good, very well competitive with everything else, but the big caveat to it is that it's color matched. So what is the intent from Motorcycle Sound Systems Miami? Is to put the product to work, ensure that the applicability is there for motorcycle audio, that is a product that won't need reinforcement. More than likely, just like any saddlebags that we do motorcycle audio, We may need to use a dowel or some type of bracing, but fairly minimal. We are very confident in this product. We find it to be a very solid product. We're going to challenge it. That's the reason we have it here. We want to ensure that when we're done with it, that we can tell our customers, this is a great product for motorcycle audio. It is going to be a complete set for you. We're going to be able to then take it to the next level when it comes to our self-installations. So where we can, in our mocking station, build an entire system for you with a full rear end kit, and that is fully color matched, where it's fully set up, built, tuned, and ready to be mailed out to you. So more videos will follow once we get it going, once we get it fully installed, tuned, and playing. We'll show you videos.
She gon' make you move to Miami.